Hi, I'm Luke.
And I'm Nixon, and we're from Zip Scanners.
Where we have free shipping and no taxes.
And lifetime technical support from experts like us.
So today we're going to talk about police codes and what they mean. So just to give you a brief history, so when police started using radios to communicate in the 20s, they started using codes for shorthand. So like the joke, I guess, was like 10-4, you know, those types of things. Yes. So they were pretty common, but they weren't standardized nationally. So every state, every county, everyone uses different codes. So in 2006, there was a movement to standardize and eliminate these by the FCC. So basically, they wanted different police departments to be able to communicate with each other, and since police had used these codes for 20 or 30 years, everyone wanted to use their codes. So they've tried to phase these out over time. So basically, some police departments still use them. It is very sparingly.
But most are not. I have some buddies in the force, and they're telling me that they don't really use them anymore, to be honest with you.
So in larger, I mean, it differs by area and region, like all thing police scanners. So we're in Minneapolis. I don't remember the last time I heard them here. Do you?
No, I don't really hear much.
Yeah, but in some rural areas, people still hear them a lot. So we have a database where you're able to look up your specific state and county to see what they are, if they still use them. So if someone says it's a 1016 or whatever, you can actually figure out what that means. So we put a link to an article, and we'll link to the database that someone else had created below, so you can check out your local area. But by and large, it's not really a thing anymore, and I wouldn't really worry about it.
I agree.
So that's it for police codes. I hope it was helpful. It gives you a little bit of an overview. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, leave them in the section below. If you like this, subscribe, share with your friends.
Right, and check us out at zipscanners.com for all your scanner needs, where we provide excellent customer service, programming, free shipping, and an excellent learning center.
And lifetime technical support.
Thanks, guys.